Hello, my frontiers of knowledge. Welcome to another session with Mr. Soup. Today, we are going to continue with theorem number 4. So, this one states that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So, we are going to come up with a circle so that we explain the theorem. So, let's go. We are saying if this is the circle that we've been given, okay, this is the circle that we've been given. Therefore, we are going to have 4 vertices touching the circumference of the circle. So this is vertex 1, and this is going to be vertex number 2, vertex number 3, and this is going to be vertex what? Number 4. So if this is a quadrilateral, therefore this angle A, is opposite to angle B, and if this is angle X, is going to be opposite to angle Y. This simply means that if you are finding the value of A, you need to say A plus B, which must give you what? 180. Then if you are finding the value of X, you need to say X plus angle Y need also to give you 180. This is the application of theorem number 4. Remember that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral should add up to 180. Therefore, let us do another example which is going to involve us which is going to involve theorem number 4, and we need to solve a little bit. Okay, so let's go. So we are saying example so that we understand the application of the theorem. Okay, so we are going to assume that this is the circle that we've been given. Then we are going to draw the quadrilateral so that we understand what is happening. Okay, so if this is how we need to come up with the angle, so we are going to assume that this is 60 degrees. Then we are going to assume that this is what? This is angle what? Angle X, and we are going to assume that this is angle what? Angle Y, and here we've been given the angle to be 120. So the question is find what? Find X and what? And Y. So we are going to say find what? X and Y. So find angle X and angle Y. Okay, so find X and Y. So we are going to say find the value of X and what? The value of Y. Remember that if we have 4 vertices touching the circumference of the circle, this 60 degrees becomes opposite to Y, and this 120 degrees becomes opposite to what? To X. So what we are going to do, in the nutshell, we are going to say angle X is going to be X plus what? 120. Then this is going to be equal to what? 180. Because we are saying angle X is opposite to angle 120. Therefore, we are going to say X is equal to 180 minus what? 120. This is going to give us 60 degrees to be the value of what? To be the value of X. Then if we are looking for the value of Y, we are going to say the value of Y, angle Y is opposite to angle 60 degrees. Therefore, we are going to say Y plus 60 is equal to what? 180. Therefore, we are going to say Y is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees. And the value of Y is going to be equal to 120 degrees. This is how you need to apply theorem number 4. Remember that this angle is opposite to this angle, and this angle is opposite to this angle. Stay tuned for theorem number 5. Make sure that you follow me on TikTok, you follow me on Facebook, as well as subscribing to my YouTube channel, Mr. Soup.